Everybody, I'm here today to show you a sliding door that doesn't lock, and I'll be showing you how to fix it easily. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a sliding door right here. When I go to lock it like that and you try and open it, well, guess what? It doesn't lock, okay? I'm going to show you an easy way to fix it. Now, if you take a look right over here on the sliding door, when you lock it, there's a little lever right there that pops up and down. So when you lock it, it pops up, okay? That lever actually has to connect and hook into this piece over here. It has to hook up into this piece over here. So what's happening is the lever is going up like that, and it's not going as far up as it needs to go right in there. It's sort of sliding out, okay? So even when it's locked, I can open and close it, as you can see right there, okay? Very simple. The door is locked, but I can open and close it. So what we're gonna do to fix this is we're gonna just adjust this, because you can't adjust the handle. You can't adjust it, it's in place. What you can adjust very easily is this piece right here. Now, what's cool about this is that there's actually a built-in adjustment mechanism. So if you take a look, instead of being just a single screw hole, there are these long tabs. So if I loosen these screws, okay, I can move this. Now, in order to make this latch properly, I know I need to slide this down, okay? And that means that the latch will go in there, okay? And that means that the door will lock. So I'm gonna just loosen these two screws. You don't need to remove them. Just loosen them enough so that you can maneuver this, okay? Now I'm gonna slide that down just like I did right there. Conveniently, there is a screw right there that is exactly where it needs to be, basically. That's telling me, I think the person put it there to know that it should be all the way down there. So this is where it was before, and it just needs to go down a little bit, okay? Now you can figure out how much yours needs to go down, but you want to make sure that that latch is able to lock in there. So I'm going to hold this down in place. I'm going to tighten up these screws, okay? Like I said, it just needs to be tightened, it just needs to be loosened and tightened a little bit. You don't need to turn them like so much. They just need to be tightened a bit. All right, so make sure they're nice and tight, just like that. This is not going anywhere. We're good to go, okay? Now, at this point, what should happen is when I close the door and I lock it, the latch should hook into there and it should lock properly. So what we're gonna do, close the door, lock it. Let's try and open it. Yeah, that's locked. Not going anywhere. I feel like I'm going to break the handle off before I open it. That's literally it. It's that simple. That is an easy fix for a sliding door that doesn't lock. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.